Guys, normally I come on my channel and I give a lot of jokes and stuff like that, but this is a matter that is really serious, and I really want to help to get the word out there. Today I was on the road and a call came in. I don't know how many of your phones are set up like that. I live in New York, so it's kind of very different. And a call came in, and when I looked at the phone, it was saying scam likely, right? And I said to myself, so you know what, let me answer the phone. Even though when once the call says scam likely, you kind of don't answer. I said, I answer the phone. I answer the phone. I'm only here, congratulations, you have been selected. No, I really got to ask you something. Scammer, when you don't take no break, tell me something, when it's essential? You hear say the only places supposed to open are essential places, and you still at work? When it's dangerous, man. When it's dangerous. Look here, you see me? I'm very practical. I'm not even going to come out here and make a video and say to you if you stop scamming, because I'm not going to stop. So I accept now. I know say on official business. Whether one is a hacker, hack people account or hacking a people email. Whether you is a congratulations, you have won, you've been selected to go on a cruise, or you win some money and need to claim something. Whether you're an identity theft person, you use people credit card fraud, online love scamming, whatever you are, even if you're a Jamaican scammer where you call and tell people that the baby sick, and you call 50 people and tell 50 people that the baby sick. Let me just ask you know, we've been asking the bank them for a little time, Zine. We've been asking like the mortgage and the landlord scammers, do we are beg you know? I know say certain states open and no feel like open as well. I know say also having a bills to pay. But I gonna ask you know, just watch there, a good one of them that again I beat me. Look here, I'm gonna ask you know, please, just give us a little time. You understand this COVID-19, it a hit everybody hard. Scammers, please, may I ask you know, just give me a little time. Don't come in and just flood we and just rush we like that. I understand say, when I have an organization, I understand say no want to do no business and get on a show on the road. But please, may I ask you know, just have a little consideration and just robbery with a little consideration. I understand? Just thief with a little bit of consideration. Like just give me a little time, give me even a little 1 month before I start thief with. And that may I say. So I gotta ask you know, people, just please, just try to get the word out there. Just tag a scammer where you know. Seriously. Tag a scammer where you know. If you live with a scammer, sit down, reason with the scammer. And look here, if you're a scammer, may I ask you, just look into yourself and just be reasonable. You see it? Go and stay safe and stay inside and be protected. Here, look more.